everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we're talking about the power couple Zithulele and Zola from Imbewu the Seed. I don't know guys, but I feel like their relationship have a lot of scars, starting with Zola's abortion, the Middle East deal, and now Zola's pregnancy. Zithulele recently found out that Zola dated his brother Nkululeko before their relationship, but akazi ukuthi amanzi lapho akamakhona aphindame futhi. Zithulele guys is not Zola's baby daddy, but Nkululeko is. In an unexpected turn, Zithulele forgive Zola once again. He doesn't have any plan of revenge, but he decides to do other things to numb his pain. He makes terrible choices like sleeping with other women, including a lady from his past, Boniswa, who will later cause a lot of drama. On the other side, Nkululeko is ready to fight for what is his. He advised Zola not to get married. Zithulele decides to invite Nkululeko to his wedding. Should we expect a lot of drama in this wedding? Please guys, leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.